lot more.
Quit talking.
Of course you do.
Noah.
You always have to go to the bathroom. What is the problem? You're gonna have to wait, Noah.
You're gonna have to wait till we get to this place.
Go back to Zach.
Yeah, you know you'll hold it.
Didn't you just go at Chili's?
Yeah, Noah, didn't you go at Chili's?
Yes.
Well, why? Do you have to go pee or poop? How many times have you gone today?
You can hold it.
You.
Don't. When you laugh at me, it makes me let the poop out.
You've pooped twice today and you have to poop again? No, Taylor, no.
Make Zach. No. Zach sounds like a little kid. RP.
Let's pull his head up.
Taylor, push his head up. Do it again.
Don't knock it down. Leave his head up, please. Alright.
Taylor, don't.
Did you knock his head down?
Stop.
I don't want him to. Put his head up. Okay, put his head up now. Well, I don't want his little head down if that hurts him.
Do you think he's the only 2-month-old that's fat enough to have a snoring problem?
He's not that fat.
He's like,
Oh, dummy.
What's the matter, dummy?
Hold on.
Hold on, Dad's gonna get us the next now.
Forgot. How many minutes is that on?
He's gonna start
3.
in a minute.
Hi, me.
Quit talking to yourself. People think
I'm trying to figure out how to move this. So, oh, there. Hi, Dad.
Hey.
Where are we going?
Dance practice.
Ballroom dance practice?
Yes.
Can I come with you, Dad? I can teach you some awesome moves.
Show me the running man.
He's going to take us back.
How come you're dancing?
The Big Shape for Life convention. Hey, I can't hear me. You're covering the mic.
I'm moving my hand. Call. Video Nazi.
Naughty Dad.
Oh my goodness.
No, Jamie.
So we're in Florida, and because I love you, my family, I'm going to video while we're on the road because every one of my siblings has done this, and then made us all puke watching it because we all get car sick. There's Jamie. He's got his gum going. He's got his gum on. That poor boy. That poor homeless bugger. He doesn't have any clothes on because he spilled every possible thing on himself.
Seriously, he's even caught rice cakes down
You
his
should turn that
hair.
off. Or you should stop it and start it again.